This is her routine now. Every day she will come and look how close I am here, but she is not afraid. So nowadays I have become friendly with her. Look how she is fully pregnant. Maybe within 10 days or 15 days she will deliver babies. But as I already have cats in my home, so she can't give birth here. But I am providing her food so that she can get the proper nutrition during her pregnancy, because it's very difficult to get food in dustbins and all, because people generally don't throw garbage food at garbage bins. So the animal lovers can easily understand that she has become much friendly with me. Look how close I am going, but still she is like okay.